Welcome to DPTech To-Do web application. To use any features of the application, user needs to sign up and then log in. Let's click on sign up page. Here we need to fill in all the details. After all details are filled, click on sign up. We are redirected to login page, which means user is registered successfully. Suppose we fill data with already existing email ID or phone number. In that case, it shows the email is already taken and the phone number is already taken. Once the user is registered, we can log in by providing the required credentials. After the credentials are provided, click on Login. We have been logged in successfully and the dashboard is displayed with the username. Now we can perform tasks like adding, deleting, searching, etc. Now let us see how to add tasks. On the left hand side we have add form where we can add new task. So let us fill the data. After filling the data, click on add button. On the right hand side we can see that the to-do has been added. Now let us add another to-do. Here let us keep the due date empty. Let us keep the label as others where we can add custom label. After clicking add button, we can see that the to-do has been added with no specified due and with custom label. Now let us see how to edit a to-do. Each to-do have an edit button on right hand side. After clicking it, a model opens where we can edit the to-do title and due date. After editing the data, click on Save Changes. We can see that the to-do has been edited. For the demonstration of delete feature, we have added a couple of to-do tasks. On the right hand side of each task, we have a cross button. Click on the button. Sure you want to delete the task? OK. And we can see that the to-do has been deleted successfully. Now let us see how to complete the to-do. Click on the to-do title. Click on S and you can see that to-do is completed with a line through the title. Now let us see how to use the search function. Using search field, we can search tasks with the help of due date, title, and label. Using the status drop down, we can choose to do based on the status and search only those under a particular status from the search field. With this, we have covered all the features of To-Do web application. Thank you, stay safe and have a good time.